Hey everyone, welcome back to ClickPix Code with Escape. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. Over the past year, I've been focused on improving my development skills and working on real world projects. During that time, I have faced many practical challenges debugging React Native apps, optimizing its performances, fixing API errors, and strengthening my JavaScript fundamentals. And I realized something important. Instead of just learning quietly, I should start sharing practical solutions here. From now on, this channel will focus on short and practical JavaScript tutorials and other coding problems, and React Native bug fixes, performance improvements, and real developer learning journey with me. Each video will be around 5 minutes, which is clear, practical, and to the point. If you are learning JavaScript or building apps using React Native, this channel will help you solve real problems step by step. I'll be uploading twice a week. Let's build strong fundamentals and grow together as a developer community. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.